Today I'll show you guys how to have your spotlights on at any time, just with a little pack of these little diodes. So just for, I think they're $6 or $8. So just for $8, you can have your spotlights on at any time. And I hope you guys liked the video. So let's get to it. The truck is completely turned off. The spotlights won't turn on, and after the mod, the spotlights will turn on even when the truck is turned off. So you're gonna go down here and disconnect the green connector, orange with the red, and then the one right next to it, the gray, right here. That's where the diode is gonna go into. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's a gray part and then a black part. The gray side is gonna go on this one. The black side is gonna go on this one. So just like that. The truck is completely turned off. The spotlight buttons light up. As you guys can see, the spotlights turn on. So let's take it for a spin. Now it's time to put it to the test. So there's spotlights turning on and off. If you guys like the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to turn on those post notifications. And remember as well to use my discount codes with VLAND if you're looking for any F-150 headlights or tail lights. Use my discount code. Until next time, peace.